So Mr. Vegas do a video, you man, Scatterburrell. This bounty killer, Scatterburrell did like yes man. You know, like when back in the day when Yellow Man and fatted up toward the world and Yellow Man and chat lyrics and fatted up and right? Ribbit. I saw Scatterburrell sound more than I want to get phone, you know, character from. In the day, yeah. Education is not what makes you intelligent. You understand what I say? You have some educated fool. Cause like me always I tell you, say, you know. You see, when you see a man say you're intelligent if we ask you know where Egypt there or who build the pyramid them in Egypt, you claim say a European, you know. But they don't even know say only four parents them do it. You get what I say? So the education where you use as bragging rights is a controlling system to maintain a certain status quo. You understand? You might can articulate certain words together and put cross understanding, but overall, the so-called education way have no credibility. You know, see, you will understand. I saw on twisted cognitive dissonance it name. You know, see, because in some cases, you know, identify it and devalue education and know so well. Then in enough cases, this a lie. You know, see, but when it benefit Uno, again, morality only applies when you are the beneficiary. When it benefit Uno use it as a credit to yourself now by trying to degrade bounty killer, saying bounty killer is ignorant, uneducated. You get what I say? By whose standard though? Yeah? Who does he represent? Yeah? Who does he need to communicate to? Is he communicating with these people? Is he representing the nature of his character? Is he making a point? Is he being heard? Has his... Oh, I'm me drop the emotion. Mr. Vegas, you see, at times in our life, we have to understand ourselves and know and grab back our manliness. Some, you know what I say? No matter how far we're gone down the bow chain, you have to grab back your manliness sometime and make known so well then. Watch out. It is what it is, you know. Sometimes it's a lifetime of bowing, seeing, and one instance of righteousness, you know. Build your back, you know. You know, see, but then I beg you, we don't need you. I'm certain bounty killer don't need you. You get what I say? But me just say it's a scenario whereby you can stop, beat up yourself and batter and bury yourself more going down the line by trying to bring down another man down in your sin and messiness with you. You get what I say? Want to justify the politician and give them more credit and credence than want to give to a bounty killer, the bounty killer effort them over the year. Bounty killer charity them. Bounty killer advocating for poor people, values and development when none of them never do. Why? Because when you sit back and convince and no compound the platform, I tell poor people say a politician run things. Poor people now have no power. Una agent. You know see how which master I serve. You can't trick me. I want to make sure I know face bounty killing. Obviously, yeah. You not trick, it just show how protected you lot are as house slave and as agents for the oppressors. That's a comfortable on a platform and discredit a man will do more for the music and for the people who listen to music than you will ever dream. With your big stupid ego and your shelly. You just come in like youth like Uno man. May I tell you man, I just because all the reason why Vegas you can talk and feel comfortable for talk because you have your money and you can hide in a hotel room and talk. If you go up and knock on and go chat certain way and chat certain way, if the people them where you talk about, if you go sit down with them and talk like that, them chop off your dirty, ugly head. And you know that. You know, see it, and your money where you can run up uptown you live, you know, you don't have no farmer relation with ghetto people, you can't relate. You know, see, because like I say, boy, like, you eat on existence before you get rich. You know, see, and so when you get rich, we know what people like you will do for maintain that level. You know, see it, we know. You know, see it, and that you are the right now, and you come justify it. What is there to justify how corrupt and how sinful you are? Eh? Yeah, big up politician, and I say politician run things, and politician do this, and politician do that. But basically, to you, politician do enough. And the people them now receive and reciprocate the favor. How you get into our life? How you become representative of ghetto people? How you come now to give opinion on what you think ghetto people should do or shouldn't do? Oh, and a God good son, you feel. You want scatter barrel, sit down there and feel and have the authority. Oh, you say when you chew, you like me never find why people like Uno could have did there and talk so. You know see, because them things are personal now. You know see, you can't talk them weird about my people and I go on like, yeah, say, it's like only a fool lean up and them fall in a rasta. You have some man when them realize so well and me do wrong all along. We can understand so when a man wrong all along, him hold him own when him realize say him did wrong. Or you have the bigger man now who step up front and know say, yo, you know say John who made wrong G, I say it go for you, you know. Angle your business and me and go mine over here, so whichever way. You get what I say? Oh, you come and talk about what a $1,000 US dollar Babsy Grace get Etana. You a big entertainer with tour all the while. What on earth that can do in a foreign? For a 1 week tour. What $1,000 can do in a foreign for a 1 week tour? You dirty misrepresentation of Jamaica. That's what you are. You are a misrepresentation of the ghetto. You are a misrepresentation of reggae music, dancehall all together. He's a little boy who just jump on the bandwagon and yam food and a business with nobody else. You know, see, he's a disgusting character. He's a sellout. He's a coconut. You will do anything for maintain your position. You know, see it in a backyard though. You're not talking about politicians run things. The way the politicians, like basically, you know, and the ghetto people, them put scatter barrel and VAGAS were him there. And the people them put one down and play the blame pan, you know, because politicians do everything where them can scam to uno, you know. See, and the ghetto people them fall in line. You know, see, that's where uno they right there. So I say, as two big black man, big black Jamaican, the two me say it's next to impossible. Me I try address the issue without showing certain level of emotion, but it's impossible. You know, see, when I see people like Uno we scrape shit bucket for each one of them. You know, see, people like Uno we watch people aki cheap, people with thief aki. Reach one of them can rent people basement of foreign and them way there and post on social media and go on like Uno use all that. Talk down against ghetto people like say ghetto people is nothing. Me say ignorance and illiteracy in Jamaica is inevitable. You see, because when people like Uno curry favor with politicians and not put no pressure upon them for them upgrade the system, Uno not talk about them thing there on the music. And not talk about loud. Uno not make no representation for ghetto people in the music except under girl. And don't come from platform and come talk about people who try illiterate. When them for to keep quiet and not show them illiteracy. We have a local language named Patois and everybody understand the emotion behind it. Everybody understand both the intelligent and the unintelligent. You want to talk for the intelligent understand? Talk Patois. You want to talk for the unintelligent understand as well right across the board. Patois it is. Where you want the man talk Queen English? Like the politicians them in a parliament when nobody don't understand when them say when them don't read the budget a year time. You see boy like Uno man Boy like Uno, glad youth like me live a foreign. You know see, call this morning, Uno that they are foreign. Run away. You know see, can I hear that argument that you come with and I justify the thing pan days, pan top of days, and I go on with it and I justify and idiot self. And I big up and I give politician more preference and credence over the reality where they're on the ground. Who responsible for the education system in Jamaica? Who the pride the people them have every social services, every social reserve, every social who the pride the people them are that? And the people them defraud themselves for it. It's a dirty boy like Uno man. Bun bag of wire. You know see it? Vegas here, bag of wire, you and Scatterbury. Scatterbury is not like a yes man, but I must say, pan move with the two on us down there though. You know, a dirty boy. You know see it? You know see it? Bandwagonist man. And you go inside and you crap man and you don't stop call, involve people and stop try bring down God people. One phone call, you know. Buckler. I want to now, one phone. Go man and stop justifying a folly. And go one in the corner around so dunce boy. And I call blood clot God people dunce. When you check your education in a school. I want to you boy. I ask you now. What are the purposes of life? What are the evidences of living, breathing human, life? You're going to get it wrong. Because of how the school teach it wrong. Because them tell you so you have to can't breathe. Mule can't breathe and mule is alive as well. You ever ask them if that hero can come to Jamaica? You know because a colonial master have got to choose a hero and sanction it. You get what I say? Them education there, what I learn down there, invalid. Invalid in a civilization, in a civility, a capitalistic. I want to fool. And go out in a stupidness and say how much retraction and how much correction them have to make now. With them full false whitewash education system. I try use and I try corrupt and I try discredit black king. So I tell us for no tactics of debate and for the interest of the people, for no tactics of debate, for no tactic of debate, of enhance for no dirty agenda, on a dirty character. Go ahead.